Hi, hello, welcome back. It feels like forever since I have made a video. I guess it's probably been like maybe a week, maybe more. I don't know. I honestly can't remember when I filmed my last one. I just remember when I posted it. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we make fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, that is fine too. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. If you watch most of my videos, you know that I skipped a video on Tuesday because I was on vacation, and I was on a little mini vacation with my sister-in-law. Here I am yapping, not even telling you what we're making today. We're making peach pie today. That's what we're making. So stick around for that. It is very good, by the way. It is very good. I have already made it. I'm filming this intro after I've already made it, and spoiler, it's really good. So you can skip ahead if you want to watch that, or you can just listen to me ramble. Your choice. Your choice. Anyways, I went with my sister-in-law on a little mini weekend trip to Colorado. She got us tickets to see Mumford & Sons at Red Rocks. Don't know if you know what that is, but if you should look it up if you don't. Red Rocks Amphitheater is the most gorgeous place to have a concert. And Mumford & Sons fits a vibe. Mumford & Sons is, I would say, probably our favorite band, my sister-in-law and myself. And I specifically remember last Thanksgiving, she looked at me and she said, "Hey, if Mumford & Sons is ever at Red Rocks, you're coming with me." And I was like, okay, like thinking like, nah, not, because it's going to be really expensive. And then back in March, she messaged me and she said, "Hey, they're coming to Red Rocks. We're going." And I was like, okay, but I'm not paying a lot of money. And she's like, I'm buying. And I was like, okay. Anyway, so we ended up seeing Mumford & Sons at Red Rocks. We did a lot of hiking. We went to Golden. We hiked up a mountain. We went to Red Rocks and hiked. We ate a lot of good food, had the best laughs, stayed in a really fun Airbnb. 100% worth it. So that's where I have been. I feel refreshed. I feel sad that I'm back, actually. It was one of those trips where I feel sad that I'm back. But if you ever have the opportunity to even just go to Red Rocks, you don't even have to see a concert there. But if you ever have the opportunity to just go to Red Rocks and see the amphitheater, highly recommend it. It's unreal. It left me speechless quite a few times. I will try to put a few pictures at the end of this video, if you all, well, not if you all want. I'll try to remember. But anyways, I'll stop yapping. Let's go make the peach pie. You probably didn't even want to hear about the vacation, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's go make a delicious peach pie, because after all, it is peach season and I love peaches. So let's go make some peach pie. In this bowl, I have, it's supposed to be 5 cups of peaches, which I think it is about 5 cups. I think it's about 6 peaches. So I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of white sugar to this. Then I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. a tablespoon of lemon juice. I have fresh squeezed in my jar here. Add what you want. I don't judge. And then a half teaspoon of cinnamon. I would do pie spice, which is what I normally do from Penzeys, but I'm out. So a half teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm not measuring because I like cinnamon. So I'm just putting it in because I really like cinnamon. We're gonna mix it up. Trying to mix it pretty well. I don't want big clumps of cornstarch in here, so I'm mixing it pretty well. I'm gonna take the filling and dump it right in. I do have my oven preheated to 425, just so everyone knows. All right, now you can do lattice. You can even do a crumble. You don't even have to do a second crust on the top if you don't want. But yeah, you can do lattice. You can do just a regular crust. You can do a crumble. I'm not gonna do lattice because honestly, there's a lot of work that I don't feel like putting in right now. So we're just gonna do a regular round top. Well, it's probably not gonna be round because I'm not very good at rolling things out round, but right now I'm gonna bake this at 425 for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna lower the temperature to 350, and I'll continue to bake it for about 30 minutes. So let's go put this in the oven.
With tiny fingers. It's a Pillsbury crust.
You're the worst. No, it's not Pillsbury crust. Oh, she's watery because she's supposed to sit for a while.
Yeah, it's like a liquid city. Is it even medible?
Stop. Stop it.
Kevin's still helping him up.
Whoop. It's edible. What?
It's filling the hole naturally.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I guess you need that. Hope everyone enjoys Jonathan's commentary on that.
Hot.
Is it really still hot?
Yeah.
I don't even know if you actually like peach pie.
I mean, I like peaches.
You told me you don't.
I like peaches and I like pie, so.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. You know what I say, like, surprisingly tastes like? Surprisingly tastes like an apple pie.
Probably because I added too much cinnamon, because I really like cinnamon.
I'm just saying, like, you know, an apple pie isn't that sweet, like apples, but you have too much sugar and cinnamon. And this is so sweet because of the peaches. And you got cinnamon. Obviously, it has different flavor.
How's that Pillsbury crust? It's not Pillsbury crust. Don't let him fool
Best Pillsbury crust.
Don't let him fool you. We don't believe in that around here.
We're good.
Yeah, my crust is better than Pillsbury.
No. You said it's Pillsbury crust.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
Yeah.
I made it today. It's good.
No, I thought you really did.
I made crust and pie.
No, just Pillsbury.
Well, and clearly it's a good pie because you just consumed that slice rather quickly. What do you rate it? On the scale of pies.
As good as any of your other pies?
10 out of 10 then, because that's what I rate my pies. Those birds out there. Do you have anything to say?
Needs to be cooler outside.
Oh yeah, it's like blazing hot here. Well, it says it's only 94, but I don't know what the humidity is.
I'm sure it says at least. Feels like 100.
Let's see. It feels like 101. There you go. Feels like 101 here. So.
Yeah, it's really good. Excellent.
Well.
Yeah, go mow the grass.
Yep.
Curse.
All right. Well, I don't know what the next video is going to be, but it's probably not going to be a pie. I don't know. Anyway, Jonathan maybe might see you in the next video. I don't know. It's always a mystery. Everyone enjoys having Jonathan in the video.
That was really good pie.
What?
That was really good pie.
Oh, that's good. All right. Well, Jonathan will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!